Let's take a look at the stock market. Let's see if we can find some buying opportunities. Let's start with Tesla. Tesla is down 71 cents, closed at 178.08. Post-market, we are down a little bit. So is it the time to buy Tesla? No. Tesla needs to break this downward resistance. Then it would need to break this horizontal resistance before we can consider this a buy. VIX, great news today. Look at this. VIX is dropping like crazy. This is going to help the stock market. We were a little bit concerned when we started to go up right here. Now we have a big move down. So let's hope that we are going to continue down for the next week. That would help. And then we could have a nice week ahead of us. US bonds also falling. US dollar down a little bit. This is going to help us also. Let's take a look at our stock indices. Boom. This is the help that we are seeing right now. So bouncing on 38,000. Dow Jones is bouncing. SPX is also bouncing. And NASDAQ also, look at how low we went during the day, but then we picked it back up. If we go on the 1 hour chart, it's very clear. Went down and then boom, there was a change in direction. So this morning we had the core PCI price index month over month. The previous value was 0.3%. The consensus was 0.3. The forecast was 0.2 and we did get 0.2. This is what helped cool down the fear in the stock market. So the VIX is the fear factor of the stock market. This has cooled down and we are seeing a move back here. And if we draw our bullish channel right here, this is where we are right now. Take a look at the Magnificent Seven. So Apple still above 187. We have a little bit of a plateau at 192.84. And the big move is going to come if we break 198.35. Amazon, this is a little bit disappointing to say the least. Like we are losing support. So, this is not the time to buy this one. AMD just going sideways, still have a good stochastic. So, this is still a buy. ARM, the same thing with ARM, good stochastic, back into the bullish channel. We had the big move on Tuesday and we are pulling back. This is just a pullback. This is just a pullback right here. See, we are coming back down and look at how we bounced on 116.60, 50. So we should be able to get back above 121.73, which would trigger a buy signal on the 1 hour chart. Google, not to see here, this is still bullish continuing. Microsoft had a hard time staying above 127. What can we do? Dropping a little bit. So today we see the big push up. So maybe this is going to recover. Meta going sideways, nothing new here. NVIDIA pulling back. So if we pull back, it's possible that we pull back down to 973. Palantir going sideways, nothing to do. SMCI, nothing to do. SoFi, nothing. Let's look at our EV stocks. So EV stocks, we bounce. We effectively bounce. It was a pretty good bounce. We did not go that much lower than the support. And now we are bouncing quite well. So we should be thinking about getting back into this one. NEO, we have the earnings that are coming next Thursday. This is not really a buy before 628. Novonix continuing its drop. Xpeng going sideways. Rivian going sideways. This one we need to wait for 1220. Nouveau Monde Graphite. Nouveau Monde Graphite, I'm starting to see some higher lows. Look at that. We have some higher lows. This one is a bit tricky because it could get stuck under 231 like it did in the past. So we need to wait until it breaks 231. But then if it breaks 231 very soon, then we are going to be at the resistance side of the bullish channel. And then we should be caving in. So, this is not leaving much room for profit. So the best case scenario is that we take our time here and we might be bouncing on this. We don't care. And then we break 231 and we have some room to wiggle. So this is the best scenario. Aside from that, there's risk. So You do need to manage risk. Bitcoin going sideways. XRP caving in to 54 cents, could not break. Gold, not too strong, no stochastic. And silver, as expected, when we are close to the resistance side of the channel, things are kind of, things are not doing well. So we can suffer that and wait the whole thing, or we can take profit, let it fall down and get back up, depending on what you want to do. One thing I can say about Tesla is that not coming down. It is not coming down. It's maintaining itself. So there's something in the air. There's an investment event that is coming. So I think people are kind of expecting something big. So that would give a nice push to the stock. So that's always possible. Join me this Sunday. We are going to do a Tesla weekly live that is going to be open to the public. On the 1st of the month, this is open to the public. We are going to take a look at all of our stocks from a weekly chart, and we are also going to look at the sectors to see which sectors are doing great, which sectors are not doing so great. This should influence which sector we should buy stock from. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you